if you think about Series A in Africa, in 2016, the average round size at Series A is about $3 million. In 2022, it is about $9 million. And yes, so, companies, of course, this means valuations have increased. But for me, it is more of a normalization of what the Series A means. African companies have access now to more investment and more investors. And this means they've been able to raise the money they actually need to build. And, while some people have been saying, hey, this whole valuation increasing, these round size increasing, the way I look at it is the total amount of money raised, the average round size, all points to capital being handed over to African entrepreneurs to deploy, which means to test, innovate, try a lot of things, experiment and build. And this is great. A second data point that I think is interesting to look at is in 2016, overall, 200 individual investors participated in rounds in Africa. Sounds a lot, but out of those 200, only 8 of them had done more than 2 deals in Africa. Everybody else was trying the market. Okay. In 2022, if you look at the total number of investors, it is above 1,000. But interestingly, if you're looking at who did more than 5 deals, you will find something like 400 investors. Everybody, so it means now there are a lot of investors who are really committed to this market, whether they are dedicated to Africa or not, who are really committed. They probably have at least one person in their team looking at Africa as a market, and they're doing deals. Like they're committed, they're learning about the market. And it means African entrepreneurs have more opportunities. They have more options.